Good morning and a very happy new year to all of you. I'm Ritika Paliwal and I'm going to teach you English today, right? So, that drastic year 2020 has come to an end finally. Wow. But yeah, 2020 was not that drastic, Yeah, it brought COVID-19 with it. But it taught us so many things, okay? So, anyways, a very happy new year to you and your family. Alright, from our school, from Gokuldas Public School, Khargon, and a very happy new year to all of you watching this lecture. So let's continue our studies. Chapter number 10, the story of the 4 seasons is going on. I have completed the explanation portion of the video. Now we will do the book exercise, and for that you have to open your book, page number 87. Okay, open page number 87 of your English treasure book. Do it fast. We will do the exercise today. You just have to, sharpen your pencil for this and put eraser in your other hand. Do it fast. Page 87. Right. So, first question is tick the correct answer. First question is tick the correct answer. ओके, आपको इस तरह से क्वेश्चन दिया है, उसके 3 ऑप्शंस हैं, आपको करेक्ट ऑप्शन पर टिक करना है. इजी. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज are you having your pencils with you? Do it fast. If you do not have your pencils, bring it fast. The 4 gods on the earth were. The first question is the 4 gods on the earth were. जो 4 gods थे earth पर, ना, all those 4 brothers we are talking about, summer, autumn, winter and spring. So all those 4 brothers, what was their relation with each other? So were they brothers, were they friends, or were they enemies? What is the meaning of enemy? Enemy means dushman. Okay, so the 4 brothers were, the 4 gods were brothers, right? So put a tick mark over here. 4 gods were brothers. Put a tick mark on the box given before it. The 4 gods were brothers. Do it fast. Now, in the beginning, the first one to become the king was. What is the meaning of this line? In the beginning. शुरुआत में, हाँ, in the beginning, the first one to become the king. They are asking who became the king first. Okay, the first one to become the king. Who was the first to become the king? Was it winter? No. Was it summer? Yes. Spring to became the king at the end, right? Spring was the last to become the king. So it was summer who became the king first. ठीक है? Put a tick mark over here with your pencil. Now, third question. To begin with means शुरुआत में, स्टार्टिंग में क्या हुआ था वो बता रहे हैं. To begin with, each of the gods was made the king of the earth for. Books do some mistakes. To begin with, each of the gods were made the king of the earth for. शुरुआत में क्या हुआ था? शुरुआत में जो उन्होंने डिसीजन लिया था कि हर एक गॉड कितने टाइम के लिए किंग बना रहेगा वो हमें बताना है. स्टार्टिंग का, बाद में तो डिसीजन चेंज हुआ था. ठीक है, सो दैट स्टार्टिंग वन वी हैव टू टेल. सो फॉर 3 months, no, this was the decision that was taken at the end. For 6 months, no. For a year, yes. For 12 months. So each of the gods were made the king for 12 years. For 1 year. That means 12 months. So put a tick mark over here. Do it fast. It is done. टिक ही तो लगाना है. Do it fast. So fourth question. When autumn became king, what happened? Air became cold. Days and nights became very hot. And the third one, trees shed their worn out leaves. You can do it if you know the answer. Okay, so the meaning of this question is when autumn became the king, जब autumn की बारी आई king बनने की, ठीक है, what happened? We have to tell them. Air became cold. Did the air become cold? No, not at all, na. Days and nights became very hot. Days and nights became very hot? No. See, air became cold in the winter. Days and nights became very hot during the summer. Third option is trees shed their worn out leaves. Yes, that's what exactly happened. ऑटम के वक्त क्या हुआ था, समर सीजन में जितनी भी पत्तियां सूख गई थी, ऑटम सीजन में वो पत्तियां अपने पेड़ों से नीचे गिर गई थी. सो ट्रीज शेड देयर worn out leaves. This is what happened in the autumn season. Put a tick mark over here. Okay, I'm writing the fifth question. In the end, the father declared. In the end, the father declared that each of them will continue to rule for okay, options are 3 months, 6 months, same options, right? And a year. Okay, अब ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो थर्ड क्वेश्चन से उल्टा है. In the end, we are talking about the end. End में क्या हुआ था? The father declared that each of them, father ने ये ऐलान कर दिया था कि each of them will continue to rule for. End में father ने what solution did the father give? Father told them to rule for. Now you have to tell the answer. For 3 months? Yes. Father told them that if you will rule for 3 months, you do not have to wait so long for your turn to come. Okay, so father told them that now onwards, you will not rule for 1 year, you are going to rule for only 3 months. Okay, so 3 months is the correct answer here. Please do it first, then we'll do the next question. Okay. Now page number 88. Open page 88. There is one very nice exercise given to you on the basis of what all happened in a particular season or what all happened in the rule of a particular god. Page number 88, question number B. Page 88, question number B. I am reading the question for you. I cannot write it here, it's so long. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. आपको एक बॉक्स दिया है, दिख रहा है? Yes. So बॉक्स में बहुत सारे वर्ड्स दिए हैं. 2 have been done for you. Okay. आपको okay, you are given here blanks spaces in the box of particular seasons. In the box of all the seasons. So आपको उन बॉक्स में एक पर्टिकुलर सीजन की उसमें जो जो भी हुआ वो आपको फिल करना है. You have to fill it with that. So, see, I'll write that box for you first here. Till then, you sharp your pencils and do whatever you feel is right. Okay, first word is gentle. Second word is hot. Third is cold. Then comes calm. Then snow. Then warmth. Then hot-headed. Then new leaves. Then cold-hearted. Okay, then shed leaves. Then flowers blossom. And then heat. Okay. So we are given these 12 words: gentle, hot, cold, calm, snow, warmth, hot-headed, new leaves, cold-hearted, shed leaves, flowers blossomed, and heat. Okay. Now we will make the section of the seasons. Right. So this is autumn one. So what all happened in autumn? Okay. We have to write it here. First one is done for you. Autumn was gentle. Okay, autumn was gentle, the first word. Autumn was gentle, right? Gentle means गर्म तो था but समर के जितना गर्म नहीं, समर से थोड़ा सा gentle था, right? Then what happened in autumn? Hot? No, it was not hot. Cold? It was not cold. Calm? Calm? People became calm in spring season, right? Snow? No. Warmth? See, spring season brought warmth, right? Hot-headed. Who was hot-headed? Summer. Then new leaves. New leaves came up in the spring season. Cold-hearted. Winter was cold-hearted. Shed leaves. Yes. So, sorry. In the autumn season, the trees shed their worn out leaves. So, shed leaves. Here write it. S-H-E-D, shed. L-E-A-V-E-S. Shed leaves. Then, also people became calm, right? So calm also will come here. Next is the box of summer season. Okay, next is the box of summer season. Please write the autumn's box. Page number 88. Okay, I hope it is done. Now let's see the characteristics of summer. One is done for you, hot. So one characteristic of the summer that God was that it was hot, right? During his rule, the atmosphere became too hot. Now let's see all the characteristics. Calm, gentle, hot. Hot is there. Calm, snow, warm, snow. Hot-headed. Summer was hot-headed. So let's write it here. H-O-T, hot, H-E-A-D-E-D, hot-headed. Okay. Then new leaves, no. Cold-hearted, no. Shed leaves, no. Flowers blossomed. They blossomed in the spring season. Heat. So summer brought a lot of heat with it. So heat. Okay, write the next box. Winter. Fill up the box for summer and autumn too. So autumn was gentle. In the autumn trees shed their leaves and people felt calm in autumn season, right? जितना अनकंफर्टेबल समर में फील कर रहे थे तो ऑटम में थोड़ा सा काम फील कर रहे थे. देन समर इट वाज हॉट हेडेड एंड इट बॉट अ लॉट ऑफ हीट विद इट. सो प्लीज फिल इट अप फास्ट. So let's write the characteristics of winter season now. Okay. So gentle, hot, cold. See, winter was cold, है ना? So write cold here, C-O-L-D, cold. Right? Winter was cold. Then calm, snow. In the winter season or in the winter's rule, snow began to fall, right? So snow. Then warmth, hot-headed, new leaves, cold-hearted. Yes, winter was cold-hearted. Who was cold-hearted? Winter was cold-hearted. C-O-L-D, cold. H-E-A-R-T-E-D, cold-hearted. Okay, winter was cold-hearted. Please fill up this box fast. And then we will do the last box, that is of spring season or this God spring. Okay children, so spring, let's see the characteristics of a spring. Gentle, hot, cold, calm, snow. Spring brought warmth, right? क्योंकि spring किसके बाद आया था? Winter season के बाद. Winter season में बहुत ठंडी हो गई थी. तो spring, what did spring bring? Spring brought warmth with him. So warmth, W-A-R-M-T-H, warmth. Then hot-headed no, new leaves. Yes, new leaves begin to grow on the trees in the spring season. So new leaves. N-E-W, new, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Then cold-hearted nice shed leaves. Flowers blossomed. Flowers blossomed in the spring season. So let's write it here. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. B-L-O-S-S-O-M-E-D, blossom. Okay, so flowers blossom. Up B-L-O-S-S-O-M-E-D. So please fill the box for spring also. Okay children, pause the screen if you want, because I am going to end the lecture. You can pause the screen and write comfortably if you will take more time to write. So, well, a little bit of exercise is remaining. आगे थोड़ी और exercise है जो भी बाकी है. That exercise is completely based on vocabulary and grammars. So, we will do that in the next lecture. Okay. So till then, enjoy the first day of the year and eat tasty dishes and comment down what you ate today. Okay. So once again a very happy new year to you and your family. I hope this year will bring a lot of happiness on your faces and in your lives. So on this note, I am ending up the lecture today and we will meet in the next lecture. And you know, with this new year, there is a new hope for you to see once again in the school. Well, I know that day will also come soon. So, eagerly waiting for you all to come to school when this session will end, when you will go in your new classes. So, till then, we will be studying like this through video lectures. So, bye-bye, take care of yourself.